It's good to know what are the health benefits of walking an hour a day, because it will give you motivation to keep this useful habit. Walking is one of the best simple and easy ways to maintain the health and safety of the body. It is a sport that does not require equipment and can be practiced everywhere. This is what happens to the body when you walk an hour each day. Maintaining a healthy weight and improving fitness, prevention of chronic diseases such as heart disease, high blood pressure, type 2 diabetes. Maintaining the safety of the respiratory system. The distribution of blood throughout the body. Keep your back straight. Reducing the chances of its curvature in old age. Promote bone health and prevent osteoporosis. Maintaining joint flexibility and muscle strength. Reducing the percentage of bad cholesterol in the blood. Detoxification and burning excess calories. Reducing accumulated fat in the abdominal cavity. Promote mental health. Studies have shown that regular walks can improve your mood. They also found that walking can reduce mild to moderate symptoms of depression. Reducing stress and depression. Taking a morning walk every day can help release endorphins and flow properly in your body, helping to relieve symptoms of depression and make you active, positive and happy. Increased lung capacity. One study found that walking can help your lungs pump more oxygen, depending on your speed and body. Walking helps increase the energy pool in your cells and increase your lungs' ability to retain oxygen. Improve brain function. Studies have shown that walking strengthens the brain and improves mental health. It helps to increase your concentration power. Reduces menopausal symptoms in women, including hot flashes. It helps control blood sugar levels in people with diabetes. It helps you sleep better at night. It keeps the arteries clean and protects heart health. Relieves muscle and joint pain. It makes your skin healthier. It reduces the risk of miscarriage.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to like channel to receive all new news.